Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry.
You ready? Yeah? You gonna do good? You gonna do your best? Yeah? What's up, guys? It's 7:30, we're almost there. I'm like
33.
exhausted. Me and Joel went to bed at 1 o'clock in the morning. No, I went to drop off orders at the post office at 1 o'clock in the morning. So I went to sleep. I laid down at 1:25 and then I could not fall asleep. So I probably fell asleep at like 1:45 and then had to get up at 4:30 to cook breakfast and pack everything, get myself ready. 0.9 miles. So yeah, we got 5 minutes till we're there. So,
Yeah.
Kamdyn's sleeping. Jaedyn's on his phone. Kamdyn kicked one of his socks off. We passed the American Girl doll store, so now we know where it's at. Oh, that's cool. That little statue thing.
What?
So, that statue, that red statue.
What the heck?
Sound like Carsyn. What the heck? So, feet. Oh my gosh. So, we're almost there. Kaedynce is not by herself this time. She's with 4 of her other teammates, and then the rest of them go when they're done. So, yeah, should be fun. You gonna rock it? Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see. Hey now, baby. Tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. Why are you shy? Stay in the middle lane.
Are we too grown to play around? Young enough to change, but old enough to know better.
Are we too close to change? Are we too grown to mess around? And wonder where we will ever, baby. Both of us should know.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Nancy Jane Lane.
Nancy Jane Lane? That rhymes. Ooh,
In
look
a
at
quarter
that.
mile, turn right.
Athletic Center. How would you like to practice there every day? No?
Turn right. Then the destination is on your left.
Yeah.
Arrived.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't protect your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so, but I told you so. My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so, but I told you so.
Hey guys, what's up? So, case meet is over and we are pulling into town. Oh, funeral. Yeah, see the car. It's almost 3 o'clock. We just got into town. I'm so glad we left when we did because the weather is so bad. There's like tornadoes basically everywhere and it's coming toward where we live. So we're trying to get to the house ASAP, which we're like literally 5 miles away from the house. So her meet went really good. She tied for first on vault. I'll include the footage. Oh, it'll be like before this because it's like during the vlog. But you guys saw her do vault. She got first on vault with a 9.75. And with her medals. She did really, really awesome. So it was a cool meet. It was at Woga, as you guys saw in the video. That's where Simone Biles trained. So that was really, really cool. It was a really nice gym. But anyways, we're just about home. There's like when we were driving home, there was a weather alert on the radio saying there was a tornado at mile marker or something. I can't remember what the number was, but it's a town about 45 minutes to an hour away from us. And my friend lives in a town that's even closer and she said that they were in the closet because the sirens were going off. So it's coming our way. It shows on the weather app, so we need to get into the house ASAP. But yeah, I'm gonna take a big nap if I can, if Kamdyn will still sleep when we get in the house. I'm so tired, running off of 3 hours of sleep. I did sleep maybe like an hour on the way home.
Hey guys!
His hair getting long.
Hello?
Hello? We're in the bathroom. The sirens are going off. And we have Kay's mattress in here in case we have to get in the bathtub.
It'll be wet.
So I'll keep you guys updated, but we're in the bathroom right now. It's me, Jaden, and Joel's out there listening and looking at the weather. Jesus. Cause the sirens just stopped, but it's still raining super, super hard. They said there's rotation and formation, but there's no confirmation that there's one on the ground. But it's like, it's pouring, y'all. Chicken Master's in here cooking chicken.
Oh god.
We're gonna have quesadillas. So, I got a tortilla with cheese right here. And since the chicken's already gonna be cooked, we're just gonna cut it up. Don't cut it, into small pieces and put it in here. Go put it in the bathroom. That's your brush. Your brush goes in your bathroom. Jaedyn's eating French fries.
Oh, I thought you wanted French fries.
Okay, you want a grilled cheese? Is that what you said? Or you want a chicken quesadilla?
Mom.
Quesadilla?
Mom.
Grilled cheese? Okay.
I'm not taking a shower after I eat.
Not right now. Wait until this bad weather passes over. Because if you're in the middle of taking a shower, and the siren goes off again. No, it's not safe. So anyways, it's 4:30. The sirens went off for like 30 minutes straight. There was a tornado in a town right outside of where we live, like 15 minutes away. So that's why they were going off. But a little announcement thing came over outside on the loudspeaker saying all clear. So we're good to go now. We took a really amazing nap. I needed that so much and I'm still so exhausted. Like I was just laying on the couch watching YouTube and I was falling asleep again. And we woke up at 8 and it's 11. So all the kids went to bed at 10. Joel's chilling. I'm about to edit this vlog. And then I'm probably gonna go back to sleep. I just want sleep right now. Like, I want me time. Like, I wanna do stuff that I enjoy right now. But I do enjoy sleeping. But right now, sleep is like winning me over right now. I really just wanna go get in my bed and go to sleep. After today was just quite the day. Got up after 3 hours of sleep, drove 2 hours to Kaedynce's meet. She had her meet, which is always like emotionally draining for me because I'm like a ball of emotions, like excited, happy, anxious, proud, I don't know, just like all these emotions. And then on the way home, we are like getting weather reports on the radio that there's tornadoes around us, and then we get home and we're here for 20 minutes trying to eat and take a nap and the freaking tornado sirens are going off. I'm done. I'm done with today. Forget October 13th. Even though today is my brother's birthday, Steven, my brother. I don't know, is he 26? I think he's 26. We are 4 years apart, so he's 25. Because I'm 29. So that's all we have for you. Jam-packed, filled, fun vlog. I can't even think right now, you guys. I need to get off here because my brain's not working. I need to get this edited and uploaded. I'm probably not gonna get in the bed till 12 because it takes me about an hour to edit and upload a vlog. This one might take a little bit longer because I edit the whole vlog and I export it and then I make another video of just Kaedynce's routines for memories, and I like to share it on Facebook because everybody likes to see her, like family and friends like to see how she did, and she likes to look back over that. So like as I'm looking at my iMovie like desktop, it's showing like all of her meets, like all 4 of her meets that she had so far, and I just like to keep them here so we have them. So anyways, longest outro ever, which, you know, nothing new, I'm good at those, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Thank you guys for all the comments on our Instagram. Like, so proud of her for getting first involved. I was super proud of her. Usually we follow a website that shows all the scores and we already know what place she got, but they weren't updating it, so it was a surprise, and I kind of liked that. So I don't think I'm going to be keeping up with that website anymore. I'm just going to use it for like future reference for her scores if I don't write them down. My nose is running because I was eating hot onions. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. I think we're 1 subscriber away from 7.5 thousand subscribers, 7,500 subscribers. I'm being weird. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.